Okay, so valet the car on the inside, and I've not exactly cleaned this grill out properly, but I've cleaned enough so that I can maybe get the ST badge to stick perfectly here. So the way I'm going to try and do it is just have it so that the S is just halfway here going along this way. So I'm going to wait because right now it doesn't look very promising, so I might just wait until it gets promising weather and I'll attempt it, because I want it to stick and I want it to keep there for a few hours being dry. Okay, so just peeled off the backing from the other clip you just seen and stuck this on. So right now I've put it in what looks like to be the best area for the ST emblem, so I'm hoping it's going to stick. I'm just going to leave it for a while, but it used to be up in these two areas now, so I just put it down and I realised that the end of the T was more off centre a wee bit from the middle of this bit here, so I've just done that and so far it looks quite nice. So I'll keep track of that and see what that looks like after a few hours. So as everyone knows, I've got an ST line badge on the front of my car, and it's this one here. So what I've done is, as I've decided to copy something that one of my friends has done on Instagram, and it's called polymorph, and you basically, it's like wee plastic pellets that you put into a pot of boiling water and leave it for, I would say, 30 seconds, so that's what I did, and they just melt together and you can form any type of moulding putty you want. And it doesn't need to be black, you can get a lot of other colours, and you can mould them into any shape you want, and after, I would say, a minute they'll harden, and then if you wait until the inside hardens a bit more, then it's basically really hard plastic. So I've done that. I've put a wee square, stuck this ST line badge on top of it, and then I kind of cut around it, so that's where you can see like all the edges here is being cut and here it's being cut, and then I just put it, as soon as it was melted to the point where it was mouldable, I just shoved it against the grille of my car where I wanted it to be, and then that's where I've been as of now. So I've now moulded it and got a place where I want it, so it's now just a fact of, in the weirdest way possible, poking a hole into a part of my grille to put a zip tie, and I'm going to need to remelt the centre bit here and shove a zip tie through it. So I'll show you on the outside. As you can see, that's where my ST badge has always been, and this, with all the grooves cut out, it fits just in there. So I try to wiggle it, it doesn't wiggle, doesn't move, it's just in that one place, and if I push it just a little bit, just till it grabs, there. So that's where it'll look. So it's just at the bottom of the grill here, so it's, sorry if the wind you can hear, but can't do anything about that. So right now it's just sitting there and it looks pretty nice. I need to poke a hole right at the very top here, so I don't know if you can see a wee scratch here. I've just scratched it a wee bit so I know where I'm putting the hole. I need to put the zip tie in here first and then line it up where it needs to be, and then poke a hole in the grill, and that way when you poke a hole through there, it goes up and around and out this bit here, and then hopefully attaches up. All this mess, zip ties, screwdrivers, spoons, knives, polymorph, scissors, lighters, zip ties, all that stuff. I've managed to put a hole in here, right there. I may clean this wee bit up in a minute. I've got this ST badge here, and I've remoulded it so it fits perfectly with a zip tie. So I'm going to leave this morph to just stay for a few hours just on the table or something, just to let it fully dry, and then that's when I'm going to get sticking it. And basically you just put the zip tie through here and this side here, bring up through here, and then tie it as much as you can, pretty much. So I'll get back to you. Let's give this a shot. and just like that it's almost done. So right now it's wiggly, so I think that's okay. So I'm just going to find something to go at the back and take this bit off, and that's this bit. Right. Done. Done. So got that cut off, you can see that perfectly there, all thanks to a Stanley knife with a very hot blade, and that's the cut. So overall satisfied. So it does have a little bit of movement to it, but you know what, for something that's basically like 90% permanent, if I need to take the card in or anything, or something needs to happen, I'll just take the zip tie off and I'll do this whole process again. But now I've got a permanently, and I don't need to worry about it sticky. Like, okay, it shakes, but if I'm being honest, I don't really mind that. So yeah, ST badge complete, and on to the next video.